Did you know a woman in a condemned city left one small thread hanging in her window, and that thread connects all the way to the cross of Jesus Christ? Her name was Rahab. She lived inside the walls of Jericho. She was a Canaanite, an outsider, someone the world would have overlooked completely. But when two Israelite spies came to her door, she hid them. She told them she believed their God was the one true God. And when she asked for protection, she didn't ask for gold or land. She asked for a scarlet cord. "Hang it in your window," they said, "and your household will be spared." When Jericho fell, every wall came down. But her window held, the red cord held, and her story didn't stop there. Rahab married into Israel. She became the mother of Boaz. Boaz became the great-grandfather of King David, and from that line, Jesus was born. The woman saved by a red cord ended up in the bloodline of the one whose blood would save the world. God never wastes a thread.